Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Ajay Sharmalu. Today we will discuss the effect of adoption, section 12 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Effect of adoption. When a child is adopted, from the day the child is legally considered the son or daughter of the adoptive parents. This means all ties with the birth family are cut off and new ties are created with the adoptive family. Let's read out through the bare act. Section 12. An adopted child shall be deemed to be the child of his or her adoptive father or mother for all purposes with the effect from the date of the adoption, and from such date all the ties of the child in the family of his or her birth shall be deemed to be served and replaced by those created by the adoption in the adoptive family. So the adoptive child, from that day the child is legally considered the son or daughter of the adoptive parents, and the connection or the tie-up with the birth family are cut off and the new tie-up are created with the adoptive family. Provided that the child cannot marry any person whom he or she could not have married if he or she had continued in the family of his or her birth. Basically, it's meant the adopted child cannot marry anymore whom he or she could not have married in the birth family. It's like a prohibited degree. Just like a brother or sister cannot marry, that rule will be continued with the adopted family also. B. Any property which vested in the adopted child before the adoption shall continue to vest in the such person, subject to the obligation, if any, attaching to the ownership of the such property, including the obligation to maintain the relatives in the family of his or her birth. If the adopted child already had some property before adoption, that property will remain with the child, but along with it, the child still has the responsibility to maintain the relatives from the birth family if required. C. The adopted child shall not divest any person of any estate which vested in him or her before the adoption. Adoption does not take away any property rights of others. So, if somebody already had the property before the adoption, the adopted child cannot remove them from the property because they are having their vested right, independent right over the property, and the adopted child cannot remove them from it. So thanks for watching guys. If you found this video really helpful, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more easy legal explanation or updates. Okay, bye bye guys, thank you.